As we age, maintaining physical strength and mobility becomes increasingly important for a high quality of life. For seniors, one of the earliest signs of aging is often a decline in leg strength, which can lead to reduced mobility, balance issues, and a higher risk of falls. The phrase, "the legs fade first," is a common observation, but it doesn't have to be an inevitable outcome. A nutrient-rich diet tailored to support muscle health, bone strength, and overall vitality can make a significant difference. In this article, we'll explore 3 powerhouse foods that seniors should incorporate into their diets to keep their legs strong and healthy, ensuring they stay active and independent for years to come. Why leg strength matters for seniors. Leg strength is the foundation of mobility. Strong legs enable seniors to walk, climb stairs, stand up from a chair, and perform daily tasks with ease. Weakness in the legs, however, can lead to a cascade of challenges, including reduced independence, increased fall risk, and even a decline in mental health due to limited social engagement. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, falls are the leading cause of injury among adults aged 65 and older, with over 14 million falls reported annually in the United States. Many of these incidents are linked to muscle weakness and poor balance, both of which can be mitigated through proper nutrition and exercise. Aging naturally leads to sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength, which begins as early as the 30s and accelerates after age 60. By the time someone reaches their 70s, they may have lost 20 to 40% of their muscle mass if they don't take proactive steps to counteract it. Nutrition plays a critical role in slowing this process. Certain foods provide the essential nutrients needed to support muscle repair, bone health, and energy production, all of which are vital for maintaining strong legs. Let's dive into the top 3 foods seniors should prioritize to boost leg strength and mobility. 1. Salmon, the omega-3 powerhouse for muscle and joint health. Why it's great for leg strength. Salmon is a nutritional superstar, particularly for seniors looking to maintain leg strength. Rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, salmon supports muscle repair and reduces inflammation, which is crucial for keeping joints and muscles healthy. Protein is the building block of muscle tissue, and seniors often need more of it to combat sarcopenia. The American College of Sports Medicine recommends that older adults consume 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily, higher than the general recommendation of 0.8 grams. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA found in fatty fish like salmon, have anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate joint pain and stiffness, common complaints among seniors. This is especially important for those with arthritis or other conditions that affect mobility. Additionally, omega-3s have been shown to enhance muscle protein synthesis, meaning they help the body use dietary protein more effectively to build and maintain muscle. How it supports mobility. Strong muscles and flexible joints are essential for walking, standing, and maintaining balance. Salmon's combination of protein and omega-3s directly supports these functions. A 2017 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed higher amounts of omega-3s had better muscle strength and physical performance compared to those with lower intake. Furthermore, salmon is a rich source of vitamin D, which is critical for bone health and muscle function. Low vitamin D levels are associated with an increased risk of falls and fractures, making salmon an excellent choice for comprehensive leg health. How to incorporate salmon. Aim to include salmon in your diet at least twice a week, as recommended by the American Heart Association. A 3-ounce serving of cooked salmon provides about 25 grams of protein and 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams of omega-3s, along with a significant dose of vitamin D. Here are some easy ways to enjoy it. Grilled or baked salmon. Season with herbs and lemon for a simple, flavorful dish. Salmon salad. Flake cook salmon over a bed of greens with avocado and a light vinaigrette. Salmon patties. Mix canned salmon with breadcrumbs, egg, and spices for a budget-friendly option. For seniors with dietary restrictions, canned salmon, with bones, is an affordable alternative that also provides calcium for bone health. Always choose wild-caught or sustainably farmed salmon when possible to maximize nutrient content and minimize contaminants. Point 2. Lentils, the plant-based protein and fiber champion. Why it's great for leg. Strength lentils are a fantastic plant-based food for seniors, offering a robust combination of protein, fiber, and essential micronutrients like iron, folate, and magnesium. A single cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein, making them an excellent choice for muscle maintenance, especially for vegetarians or those looking to reduce meat consumption. Unlike animal proteins, lentils are low in saturated fat and high in fiber, which supports heart health and digestion, key factors for overall vitality and mobility. Magnesium, abundant in lentils, plays a critical role in muscle function by aiding in muscle contraction and relaxation. Iron is essential for oxygen transport to muscles, ensuring they have the energy needed for physical activity. For seniors, who may be at risk of anemia or low energy, lentils provide a natural boost to keep legs active and strong. How it supports mobility. Lentils contribute to leg strength by providing sustained energy and supporting muscle repair. Their high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes that can make seniors feel fatigued and less inclined to move. Additionally, the folate in lentils supports nerve health, which is crucial for coordination and balance. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that diets rich in legumes like lentils were associated with better physical function and lower rates of mobility limitations in older adults. How to incorporate. Lentils are versatile, affordable, and easy to prepare, making them ideal for seniors. They cook faster than other legumes and don't require soaking. Aim for 2 servings per week, with a serving being about 1/2 to 1 cup of cooked lentils. Try these ideas. Lentil soup. Combine lentils with vegetables, broth, and spices for a hearty, warming meal. Lentil salad. Toss cooked lentils with olive oil, lemon juice, and fresh herbs for a refreshing side dish. Lentil curry. Pair with turmeric and coconut milk for an anti-inflammatory, flavorful dish. For seniors with chewing or swallowing difficulties, lentils can be pureed into soups or dips to maintain their nutritional benefits. Pair lentils with a source of vitamin C like tomatoes or bell peppers to enhance iron absorption. 3. Greek yogurt, the calcium and probiotic powerhouse. Why it's great for leg. Strength Greek yogurt is a nutrient-dense food that packs a punch for leg strength. It's an excellent source of high-quality protein, about 20 grams per cup, and calcium, both of which are essential for muscle and bone health. Calcium is critical for preventing osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases fracture risk, particularly in the hips and legs. Strong bones provide the structural support needed for active legs, while protein supports muscle repair and growth. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is linked to better nutrient absorption, reduced inflammation, and improved energy levels, all of which contribute to physical performance. For seniors who may experience digestive issues or reduced appetite, Greek yogurt is an easy-to-digest, satisfying option. How it supports mobility. The combination of protein, calcium, and probiotics in Greek yogurt makes it a triple threat for mobility. Protein repairs muscle fibers damaged during physical activity, calcium strengthens bones to support weight-bearing movements, and probiotics reduce systemic inflammation that can lead to joint pain. A 2020 study in the Journals of Gerontology found that higher dairy consumption, including yogurt, was associated with better muscle mass and physical function in older adults. How to incorporate Greek yogurt. Include Greek yogurt in your diet. 3. 4 times a week with a serving size of about 3/4 to 1 cup. Opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars, and choose full-fat or low-fat varieties based on dietary needs. Here are some ideas. Yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of nuts for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Smoothie. Blend Greek yogurt with spinach, banana, and almond milk for a quick on-the-go meal. Savory. Dip. Mix with herbs and garlic for a healthy dip to pair with veggies. For lactose-intolerant seniors, lactose-free Greek yogurt or plant-based alternatives fortified with calcium and protein can provide similar benefits. Always check labels to ensure adequate protein content. Complementary strategies for leg strength. While these three foods, salmon, lentils, and Greek yogurt, are powerful allies for leg strength, they work best as part of a holistic approach. Regular physical activity, including strength training and balance exercises, is essential for maintaining muscle mass and coordination. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week, plus 2 days of strength training as recommended by the CDC. Simple exercises like chair squats, leg lifts, or walking can make a big difference. Hydration is another key factor, as dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue. Seniors should aim for 8-10 cups of water daily, adjusted for individual needs. Finally, consult a healthcare provider or dietitian to tailor dietary choices to specific health conditions, such as diabetes or kidney disease, which may require modifications. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel.